Hey guys, this is SEL35 here. I'm currently filming on my iPhone. That's because I am going to need to use my usual video camera, my Sony A6000 or Alpha 6000, to demonstrate this unboxing. So this is a new lens. It's the SEL35F18. So that's the 35mm with an aperture of 1.8. It is the Sony E-mount lens, so it's for mirrorless cameras. And it's also for APS-C sensors. It's for the crop sensor, not for the full frame camera. So it's good for the Alpha 6000 or 6300, 6500 series Sony cameras, and also the NEX series. So this came out, I believe, 2 years ago, back in 2016. So just a quick tour around the box. Because this is proprietary Sony E-mount lens, it does come with an optical stabilization built into the lens, because the Sony A6000 and under don't have image stabilization built into the body. So this is definitely a pretty big necessity if you are in the market to buy lens. So I'm covering this up because it's my serial number and stuff. It also comes with a lens hood. So that's pretty much it. If you wanted to really read all the fine text, just pause the video anytime. But here we go. There's no seal on this at all. So open this up here. And bubble wrap is the lens here itself. And it has some literature as well here on the side. That's it for the box. Quickly go through some of the stuff here. So since Sony is an international company, they have their manuals and stuff all in many different languages. Japanese is primary. So this is just a precautions pamphlet, and this is their limited warranty. Register their product on their website. There you have it. And this is a European guarantee document. I guess for my European viewers, here it is. Very quickly, briefly. This is the actual how-to guide to install this. Just a simple rotation to mount it, unmount it. And I think this is also the same thing. Yeah, it's multiple languages. So just warranty, a little guide, and that's a little warning precaution guide, and that's it. Alright, so now it's main star show. Bubble wrap again. Here's the hood. Probably, I was about to say probably could fit the kit lens, but it doesn't have the groove for that. So now here's the lens itself. Comes with a front lens cover and also a rear sensor cover. It's a little bit bigger than the one that comes with the kit lens. This is the 16 to 50mm lens, and then you can see there's a groove here, so you can put this for storage like this, or of course when you actually have to use it in bright daylight or something, it snaps in place very easily like that. So I'll just put it like that for now. You can still easily take off the lens cover. So now let's just go ahead and put this on my camera. So press down on here. Let's do a quick exchange. There we have it. Really awesome. You can see the stabilization in action right there. So here's the focus ring right here. And for those of you who are interested, I'll just do a quick comparison with the kit lens right here, see for size. And it's maybe a hair longer, but it's not by much. Of course, there's no zoom feature because this is a prime or fixed lens. So that's it for this unboxing video. Again, I'll have a full demo and my final thoughts on this thing, of course, in a lot of pictures and video footage. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see that. Well, that concludes my unboxing video, but make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to see the review when it comes out. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.